So this is a traffic method that I'm really going to get soon. It's really quite a good one. It seems it'll transform any keyword you enter into the system, which is AI based, by the way, and we'll hear about that in a minute. Any URL, and will generate content. It's using AI. It's going to get you good traffic, so it's free. It uses actually Pinterest. So listen to part of it and then come back to it in a few minutes.
Hi, and welcome to Traffic Wave Generator. My name is Demetrius, and I'm the product creator for the digital product that you just landed on. Now, let me give you a quick overview of what Traffic Wave Generator is and why this is basically the best traffic source you're going to want to play around with. Now, if you've got a website, a blog, if you've got an e-com store, if you're trying to get some traffic over to your affiliate offers, if you're trying to build an email list, if you have clients that want traffic, then please stick around. This is for you. This is a software that would allow you to create content for the next month, a month's worth of content. And you'll be able to schedule this content and you will be able to target your niche for that content based on any URL or keyword that you provide our software with. Now, our built-in AI will help create more descriptions, more titles for these campaigns that you'll be creating. But the magic of our software is where it's taking the information that you gave it by that keyword or that URL into creating multiple templates, images with your content and your URLs attached to these images with the content that's going to be online in a platform where 459 million daily users are on there. And not only that, this is not based on theory, but this is based on how we've been generating thousands of dollars for our clients that we have proof inside the system. And you're going to be seeing everything inside Traffic Wave Generator. We've been generating thousands of leads, thousands of clicks over to our offers. We've been generating thousands of sales for our clients, and we've been using the software on a daily basis to build multiple niche websites that we're promoting offers, we're selling e-com stuff, and we are just amazed about how easy and simple this system is. Seriously, it's 3 steps simple that you're going to be just setting up your account, which takes about 2 minutes, and creating a free account, and 2, entering your keywords and URLs and clicking a couple of buttons where this is going to be generating the actual results, where you're going to be just uploading into the platform and just watching the traffic come in. Let me also show you how this actually works. In step 1, we're going to be creating our account. In step 2, we're going to be creating our Wave campaign. We're just going to be setting up a couple of information that is needed, our keywords or URL. So our software can go out and create the titles and descriptions, and plus put them in the template settings that we have for you inside pre-built templates. And from there on, our software will go out, create images with content, descriptions, titles, and your links. This year, we've added the ability for you.
So sorry about the buffering problem on that, but that is basically it. You click on the magic red button and then you can purchase either the basic or the pro. Those that are really promoting this are saying get this one because they get more commission, but you really need to 5 Pinterest accounts. But if you've got one, you can just get the basic, and it's not monthly fees, it's a one-off payment. So that's the button for that one, and then you can just read the reviews on it. So it's really AI based, and it is going to do all the work for you and potentially get traffic using Pinterest, which has been quite tricky to get traffic on your own. So it does everything. in 2 to 5 minutes, and then the traffic can be as much as 1,000 visitors per pin per day, even just to start off with. And this is it, it's traffic generator. So you want to pick up a copy, please do click the link in the description. I'm not promoting this as a product, I just thought I would share it. And if you want to see our business, then check that out too. It's something really special, and we'll see you there.